Tuesday. It is a rainy, cloudy, actually I don't think it's raining, but it's cloudy Tuesday morning. But I got up at like 7 and I laid in bed till like 7:50 and now I'm up, put the laundry in as you saw, did the dishes, and I'm gonna have some breakfast. Alright, I just finished up, wow, my hair is looking funky. I just finished up my at-home workout. I just did arms today, and now I'm gonna go shower and like get ready and then come down and have coffee and probably work on that online course that I'm doing. So I think that's gonna be the plan. So Dylan got me this shirt from his work and I really want to cut it. Like I think it would look cool cut. So that's what I'm doing right now. Also, I was doing some laundry, like folding it and putting more stuff in. But I'm gonna cut this. Okay, I cut it like really short. Just like kind of went for it, but I have another shirt that's like this. That's cut really short, so I think I'm gonna go put this on with some leggings. So let's go try it on. Okay, first of all, I forgot I had this set, which is like really cute. But I'm gonna put the shirt on because none of my high-waisted black leggings are clean. They're actually all drying right now. So I guess we're gonna go with this nice hot, not hot pink, but like hot peach color. Okay, it's definitely really short, but it's really cute. Okay, the lighting's a lot better now, but it's really cute. I like it. I'm gonna send a picture to Dylan, but I think it's cute. You know where I go when we're dancing. I messed up. Point of view of me filming a TikTok. The lighting's like all funky. You know where I go when we're dancing. Handshakes and laughing and getting drunk in the mansion for you. Now you look so classy. Don't do it that. You know where I go when we're dancing. Handshakes and laughing and getting drunk in. Oh, I messed up again. That was so close. Okay. Here we go. Chip break. Guys, my lunch today is freaking huge. I usually do just acai packet, banana, and almond milk, and today I added spinach and pineapple, and apparently it's like overflowing now. Also, Dylan's home for lunch. Oh, it's not focused.
I got dino nuggets.
Yeah, you found the dino nuggets. They're cute. Hi guys, so it's been a little bit since lunch. My mom actually ended up walking all the way to my house and showed up. So then I walked with her, and then we walked to Julia's house, and then we walked with Julia, and then Julia and I walked back, and then I just got back. So that's like, I'm pretty sure that's like a 4-mile walk. So that's pretty good. And I worked out today. I'm starving, and it's now 4:30. Oh my gosh, it's 4:30. It's 4:30, so I think I'm gonna have a snack because Dylan doesn't get home till like 6:30. So we're gonna have dinner, and I don't know if I should make chicken, broccoli, lemon pasta or cauliflower burrito bowls. Dylan wants chicken and broccoli, so maybe I'll do that and save the burrito bowls. I don't know. But I got guac this week and I really want to open it. But I feel like I should save it till like Friday or Saturday. Cause like guac, you can't just open and like not eat it all. So I feel like I should wait till like Dylan's here and we can like eat it all. So I'm gonna figure out a snack. I don't know. I already had a little bit of plantain chips earlier. Okay, I'm back. I think I'm gonna cut up this pineapple because I'm sick of waiting to cut it up. So I'm gonna cut it up and see if it's, I can smell it, so I think it's ready. So I'm gonna cut this up. Hi guys, I just took my hair down and it looks a little crazy, but it's time to make dinner. So I'm gonna make the lemon chicken broccoli dish I made the other day. So if you guys didn't see that vlog, go watch it. I think it was the weekend vlog that I made that. Oh my god, my hair looks unreal. Why is it so like big? So I just started the oven and I'm gonna make that. It's like 6 o'clock and I didn't want to get up because I've just been laying on the couch in a cozy blanket. It was so comfy, but I'm hungry, so I gotta make dinner. It's a lot later now, but I just edited yesterday's vlog, 2 days ago, I think Monday's vlog, and I'm putting it up right now, and we're just, hi! We're just watching some Dexter, so I just wanted to say end off tonight's vlog, and subscribe down below, and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!